Hello guys, today we are seeing a semi-trailer we built for the Sudan market. Different from the last time, it is white color, looks very beautiful. In the front we can see there is a 1,000 liter gasoline tanker in front of it, and we have the frame at the end there, not just a few buckets but the frame, so it can hold it very well. On the top we have the bolt to fasten it to left and right. Here we have the air coupler, and this is the 7-pin electrical socket, 24 watt. We use 3 May beam in the front to make it stronger. That's the kingpin plate. To go inside, we can see here is the air line and this electricity line over there, and the air line goes to belong this side of the May beam. This is May beam, and at the bottom of the May beam we put the reinforcement plate along from the kingpin plate to the end of the configuration change place to make it strong. And this is the landing gear. The landing gear is one side operation. It's Yost E100. And this is the rod between the 2 landing gears. You can put the landing gear here when you are not using it. We haven't finished this yet. It requires a lash to make it strong enough for the trailer. And you can see this here. And this side we have the side protection. You can see the side protection. And there is the spare tire carrier. Here is the side. You can put the operational crack inside and operate the spare tire carrier. If we go further, we see the rope hook and the winch. You can easily operate it when you are using the lashing cable. Behind the water tank, we have the front wall called bulkhead, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces side wall to make sure it is strong enough inside. And those are the posts between those walls. Up on the wall we have the fence along to the wall. The wall is 1 meter height. The fence is about 600 meter height. 0.06 meter height. And those are the handles, and this is the hinges, very easy to operate. Now we are to the tire and axle. It's BPW axle, and we use the mark to mark the bolt once it's fastened. The tire is 12R24. You can see 12R24. It is very big. Here is the side look of the tire. You can see the tire brand. This one is not easy to see, and that one is not easy to see. Let's see if we have something. This brand, Razzo. It's all upside down. See, Razzo. And that's the suspension hanger, equalizer, the position keeping pin for the equalizer to left and right. You can see from this side, because I want to finish them fast, so I tow it out. We haven't finished all the job yet. We can see the rough figure of this trailer. That's our brand, and that's how it looks from the rear. If we go to the rear, we can see here is the license plate. This is the license plate. That's our client's name, and that's the light. Those parts prevent the drop down to hit the side beam. And we have the safety bar. When you are hooking the 2 trailers together, when you add the coupler, you need to hook it to prevent the accident happen. Here we have the air line to the rear truck, rear trailer, And this one is the 7-pin socket. We haven't finished yet. And that's the rear bumper. So you can see the rear is very strong. It's strong enough to hold another trailer. You can see the design at here is very strong. Now we can see the axle. That's the air chamber, and that's the leaf spring. And here is the bush here. The bush is very important. It will prevent the leaf spring up and down to wear this bolt out. This side is the same. We can see the toolbox over there. It's toolbox and the tire in this line. That's the side protection, and that's a spare tire carrier. Because I asked them, didn't install this because we can go inside easily. You can see the top frame is very beautiful. Alignment and the painting, the welding looks very good. We go further, we can see the this is the suspension rod. One side is fixed, one side is adjustable. So when the axle is not parallel to each other, you can adjust one side. The production haven't finished. This is the braking chamber. We need to touch it down to the air reserve tank. That's the air reserve tank, and that's the valve. That's the valve we are using. Inside, we use a very strong structure to make it as one part to make sure the quality of the trailer. We can see the label of the BPW, and this is how it. You can check the number outside, and you can check the website, and that's the qualified label. And here's the axle seat, spring seat, spring, suspension hanger again, and equalizer again. This is the back side of the toolbox. This is the bolt of the side protection. We shall remove those when we do the packing. Okay, I think that would be enough for today's video. Thank you very much, everyone. See you guys later. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Saeed. I'm going to the production line to see your trailer. We have received the first unit from the painting boats over there, and you can see it is over there. I shall show you more details when we go there. 客户催这个交货期，我过来看看。这个车赶紧弄，可能。It's over there. So you can see it's doing the final jobs, and the sticker is already on, and those are the tires and the electricity sidewall. It's already off work here. Hello. 客户催交货期，看看尽快弄弄。好。Okay. This is the first unit. We finished the painting. Sorry for my camera. I shall try to find the right angle. Yeah, so like this. And you can see from here. And modification did very well. And the painting is very good. The tire, you can see the tire is 12 R24. Okay, my dear friend, I hope you do not mind my video.